Hello guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. Today in this video we are going to learn what is a Creative Commons licensed video and how we can use it and from where you can find those videos. Okay, let's jump into the video. I'm not wasting any time. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about my name is Abhimanue. My name is Abhimanue. Okay, what is Creative Commons license video? Creative Commons license video means we can reuse that particular video in any other channel. Maybe a few portion of video or maybe the entire video. Okay. If you are a creator, you might have seen there are two type of license in YouTube while uploading a video. First license is called standard license and the second is Creative Commons license. Okay. Standard license means that particular video belongs to that creator itself. When another person is trying to download it and upload it on another channel, he will get copyright strike for sure. But if that video is licensed under Creative Commons, every people have the right to reuse it in their channel. Okay, that's the difference between standard license and Creative Commons. And also one thing, there is no honor in monetizing other people's content in your channel, because what? Try to use your own content which comes from your mind and try to monetize that. That's the best thing you can do at least. And the next thing is how we can use it and what's the consequences when we are using this Creative Commons licensed videos. We can download Creative Commons videos, that is okay. But we have to check the original video is also licensed under Creative Commons. Okay, if the original video is not licensed under Creative Commons, whereas it is licensed under standard license, you might get a copyright strike. Okay, so it's up to you. You have to find the original content and you have to check that video is under Creative Commons license. Okay, so be careful if you are using that kind of video. Check that first. And the next thing is from where you can find the Creative Commons licensed videos. Okay, if you are in desktop, go to the search bar, search something like photo ideas. Okay, search that first. To the left you can see three lines. Click that. That's a filter option. If you click that, you can see some options, and under that feature option that you can see Creative Commons option. Click that, and after that you will see all the videos which is related to Creative Commons. If you're trying to find Creative Commons licensed videos on your mobile phone, go to the search bar, search photo ideas, and to the right side you can see three lines. Click that and go to the bottom. You can see Creative Commons and then click apply. After that you will see all the videos which is related to Creative Commons license. Okay guys, if you like this videos, please do smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and so that you will get notification from all my videos and we guys will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in another video.